All right, we're back. So it's that time of year again. It's time to do a price prediction for Ethereum for 2022. And folks, I know we're seeing a sea of red here as we've seen the entire market take a beating, but that doesn't change the truth about what Ethereum is. It's the glue that makes things stick. Now, I think that we've got some great potential for Ethereum. We're going to go ahead and take a look at it. Right now, it's sitting at $2,400, market cap of $285 billion. There's still great potential. There's still thousands of projects being built on top of the Ethereum platform with smart contract capability. This is the mothership, okay, second only to Bitcoin. And when we stretch it out, if we look at the entire pattern and lifespan, we can see that it had an incredible run in 2021, going all the way from about, let's see here, I think it was about $700. Let's go back here to the very beginning. Yeah, there it is, $774, and shooting all the way up to $4,000. Okay, so about 4,200. Alexa, what is 4,300 divided by 774?
4,300 divided by 774 is approximately 5.5556.
Listen to that. 5 times on your money. 5 times on your money. So when I look at this pattern here of how it fell in, what is that? That is May 4th, and how it fell all the way back down to this low point here in June, and it just kind of settled out there. I'm thinking we're kind of hitting this high point in October, and we're going to settle out here, and we're going to have that same kind of lull between, you know, I see this lull here, and it's about a let me see, that's about a 4-month span. We might be sitting in this lull for about 4 months, which is consistent with what I think is going to happen with Decentraland. We're going to sit here until after the tax season, and then the information about Metaverse is going to hit, the information about all the different Ethereum projects is going to hit, and all of the bulls are going to come out running, talking about how the blockchain technology is going to save us and do so many things. I believe that we do have a chance to hit that $8,000 price target that we should have hit last year. And I think it could happen in 2022, right as we enter into the fall. So if you've enjoyed this analysis and this price prediction about Ethereum and what could possibly happen, please like, subscribe, and share this information. I hope you guys will stick with us. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead, hit the subscribe button and ring that bell. And I'll catch you on the next one.